Would you be prepared if you received an excessive fee questionnaire for your firm's retirement plan? Do you regularly benchmark fees charged by your retirement plan service providers to help ensure they aren't found excessive? It's important to remember, ERISA doesn't require a sponsor's fees to be the cheapest. It requires them to be reasonable. In fact, the 408(b)(2) fee disclosure regulations used the word reasonable or reasonableness 49 times. Recently, there have been a proliferation of excessive fee lawsuits, and these suits are starting to move downstream to smaller plans. Due to increased litigation, it is becoming more common for casualty insurers to require an excessive fee questionnaire be completed prior to renewal. Plan sponsors should either undertake a benchmarking engagement or a detailed RFP process in order to document that their plan fees are reasonable. It is important to know what your record-keeping fees are, how they are structured, and what services are included. Important questions to ask your record keeper include: do they charge based on a percent of assets in the plan, meaning fees increase as your plan grows? Do they charge a flat dollar amount based on the number of participants in the plan? Does their fee change based on the use of any proprietary investments, such as a stable value fund or their target date solution? Does their fee schedule have any breakpoints? In addition to record-keeping costs, your plan's investment expenses also need to be measured. A prudent investment review process should also include industry standards to compare peer group risk and performance, the use of the lowest net cost share classes, and an appropriate mix of actively managed and index options. For plan committees, it is important to remember it's not what you've done, it's what you can document you've done. Even if a plan committee no longer meets in person, meetings should continue to occur regularly to make sure the proper steps are being taken and that all documentation is in order. To help our clients document a prudent, fiduciary-focused process, we provide detailed reporting on all plan fees when managing plans. This includes comprehensive benchmarking analysis, as well as the use of a proprietary Morningstar data-fed investment monitoring report. Our benchmarking analysis identifies and compares the following fees to definitively calculate an all-in price: record-keeping and administration, fiduciary advisory, investment management expenses. Once this all-in cost is identified, we utilize 4 different benchmarking resources to construct a comprehensive benchmarking analysis so that scope and frequency of services from all plan providers can be measured in order to confirm that each component is both reasonable and appropriate. We believe that benchmarking is so important that we provide this analysis as a standard service rather than charging an additional fee. Our investment monitoring report is designed to ensure the use of the lowest cost share classes, provide peer group rankings, and detailed investment analyses that a plan committee should review regularly. In addition to our detailed reporting services, we provide our clients with an online vault that acts as a central repository of plan-related materials to document a plan committee's due diligence process. At Prime Capital Financial, we have created successful retirement plan experiences for plan sponsors and participants for over 25 years. Let us implement or improve your plan committee's process to identify and measure the fees associated with your plan. Get started and download our excessive fee checklist now at primefinancialct.com.